Hey, there! Welcome back to Little Learner's Lab. Today's big question is, what is the multiverse? Could there be other versions of you out there? So if you've ever wondered if your life could have been different, if you made different decisions, or if you had a pet dinosaur, then today's video is for you. Let's dive in. The multiverse theory is the idea that our universe, everything we know, see, and experience might be just one of many. That's right. Not just stars and galaxies out there in space, but entire alternate universes. Each one could have its own laws of physics, its own planets, its own versions of reality, and maybe, just maybe, its own version of you. It sounds wild, right? But it's not just science fiction. Some of the smartest minds in physics are seriously exploring this. So where did this idea come from? The concept of the multiverse has popped up in different forms for centuries, from ancient philosophy to modern sci-fi. But in science, it gained momentum with two big ideas: quantum mechanics and cosmology. First, quantum mechanics. At the tiniest level, particles can act in strange ways. They can be in more than one place at once. They don't choose a state until they're observed. Some scientists say that instead of collapsing into one outcome, every possible outcome happens, but in separate universes. That's called the many worlds interpretation. In one world, you hit snooze. In another, you got up on time. Both versions exist in parallel universes. Next, cosmology. When scientists study the Big Bang, they consider that it may not have been a one-time event. Some theories propose eternal inflation, where our universe is just one bubble in an infinite cosmic foam. Each bubble, a separate universe. So what could be in these universes? If the multiverse is real, the possibilities are endless. There could be a universe almost identical to ours, but with tiny differences. One where history played out differently, or where gravity is stronger, time flows differently, or light doesn't even exist. Some universes might be so strange we wouldn't even recognize them. And in some theories, there could be infinite versions of you, shaped by different choices and chances. So, is it real? Or is it just a theory? Here's the thing. Right now, the multiverse is still a theory. There's no direct evidence yet. It's extremely hard to test, because if other universes exist, we might not be able to interact with them. But researchers are trying. Some believe that tiny clues in the cosmic microwave background, the light left over from the Big Bang, might hint at collisions with other universes. Others think we might detect it through quantum experiments in the future. So while we can't say for sure if the multiverse exists, we can keep exploring this mind-bending idea and all the possibilities it offers. Maybe one version of you will discover the truth about the multiverse. And when you do, remember, you'll be one step closer to understanding the big questions of the universe. So do you believe in the multiverse? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Want to keep learning? Subscribe for more.